It was time to replace my old washer pan. I chose the DR Quality Parts 30 inches washer drain pan. This pan is a true fortress for your laundry room. It catches leaks with ease. Its stainless steel gleams, the heavy-duty build feels solid. Furthermore, the 2.5-inch depth provides ample space. It acts like a small, strong shield. Therefore, water damage does not stand a chance. I can finally relax. It's an excellent investment. This DR Quality Parts 30 inches washer drain pan offers peace of mind. It fits perfectly. Setting it up was simple. Moreover, the pan is easy to clean. Spills wipe away quickly. In addition, its robust construction promises longevity. It feels ready for anything. I appreciate the fine craftsmanship. The stainless steel shines brightly. Thus, it also looks good. No more worries about drips. Overall, the DR Quality Parts 30 inches washer drain pan exceeded expectations. It's a lifesaver. Consequently, my floor stays dry. The quality is outstanding. It is a smart purchase. Indeed, I highly recommend it. This pan is worth every penny. You won't regret it. It protects your home. Pros: nice construction, sturdy, worth the price, gives peace of mind, well built, holds fair amount of water, keeps floor dry, high quality, super sturdy, looks much nicer than plastic. Won't crack. Heavy duty. Cons: expensive, a bit pricey, difficulty installing, hard to drill hole, not anti-slip, arrived. Bent dented features. Brand: DR Quality Parts. Size: 30 inches by 30 inches. Height: 2.5 inches. Material: stainless steel. Durability: heavy duty. Use: washer machine drain pan. Shape: square. Finish: fine. Purpose: leak protection. Installation: easy. This is a strong, square, stainless steel pan made by DR Quality Parts. It's 30 inches by 30 inches and 2.5 inches deep. You can use it under your washing machine to catch leaks. It's built to last and is easy to put in place. This 30 inches by 30 inches by 2.5 stainless steel drain pan is a high quality, heavy-duty option for your washing machine. Its sturdy, well-built construction gives peace of mind by effectively holding water and keeping your floor dry. And it looks much nicer than plastic pans while resisting cracking. However, it's quite expensive and can be difficult to install, especially when drilling a drain hole. Some customers also received the pan with dents, and it doesn't have anti-slip features.